Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Kanak Info Systems. Today we are discussing about the MTO means make to order. It is the important inventory strategy to manage inventory in Odoo. By default, Odoo provides this functionality. We just need to configure here, and using this functionality, we can automatically create the manufacturing order while confirm the sell order. Let's see how it can be configured in Odoo. Suppose we have this product and we while using this product, when we confirm the sale order, at that time we need to manufacture this product, and for that we have bill of material something like this, 8 screw, 1 wooden plate and 4 wooden pillar. So, first of all, here you can see in inventory tab we have routes. Here you can see we have just manufactured. To enable the MTO, we just set routes here, multi-step routes as true, so that we can enable the MTO for warehouse. And on routes menu of warehouse management, here you can see we have just three options, and MTO is by default archived, so we just need to unarchive this option. So when we unarchive, here you can see for all the product we have on inventory tab, we have this option, and we just need to set as true. Okay, and let's see, create sell order for this product. Suppose we create this product, sorry, confirm the sell order for this product as quantity 2, and while we confirm, here you can see we have two smart button, delivery and manufacturing. Here you can see we have all the functionalities uh, who create the manufacturing order, produce order, and work order, miscellaneous. Here you can see source, date, all the quantities, bill of material. Okay, and when we produce all, our manufacturing order is in done state. So how it works in Odoo. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you.